Today I'm going to show you how to make an embedded guide. An embedded guide is different from your standard pop-up guides. Pop-up guides tend to show above your UI versus an embedded guide. It's supposed to be part of a seamless experience where you can't even tell that you're looking at a guide. So to make a embedded guide, you're going to need guides and you're also going to need guide creating permissions. So as always, you're going to go to guides, then you're going to select create a guide, and you should see two options. Again, overlay guides are those guides that pop up above your UI, and an embedded guide is a guide that's kind of part of your UI. So we're going to select embedded guide. If you scroll down, you should still see the option to create a guide with AI, which we did talk about in a previous video. But for this use case, we're going to just make one manually and select one of the existing layouts. A really good use case for embedded guides is warning. So if you have a bug or something that you want to let users know, but you don't exactly want them to take any action, but you kind of want to let them know like that there is an active workaround, a warning embedded guides is a really, really good use case to use an embedded guide. So for this one, I'm just going to select a standard banner. And my use case is that we launched some new things in product areas, and I want to let users know what they can do in product areas with the new improvements. So I'm going to launch this designer as usual, and I'm going to navigate to the product areas page. Okay, from here, I'm going to select the location. So I'm going to retarget the element, and I kind of want it to show above everything up here. So from there, you have three options. You can append it, you can replace it, and you can prepend it. For we prepend it, it's going to show above all this, and you can also add a spacing between these two items, or if you hit replace, it literally will replace your entire UI. If there's a close button on this embedded guide, the minute that the user closes it out, your page will go back to normal. And the beautiful thing about this is that you don't need to ask your development team to help you remove the entire page. It's just a temporary thing with a guide. So for this use case, I'm going to prepend it. And I'm going to go ahead and add our standard content. So I'm going to add in our title. I'm going to add our body. And I'm going to modify the button. So from here, you can trigger other steps and other guide steps as well. You can do a URL link as usual. And after that, you would just save, and then you would publish. And so I'm going to show you what it looks like live. So if we go back to product areas, here you can see the embedded guide. And you can't even tell that it's embedded guide because it looks part of the experience. So if I were to select show me, it triggers another guide step. And here the purpose again is to let our users know that we launched some new items in product areas and we're just highlighting what's going on in here. And if they hit next, then it shows a different option. But there's endless possibilities with embedded guides. You can also use custom HTML code, so you can even customize it even further to really fit your brand. But that is how you make an embedded guide.